Hello there! Do you see this big, empty white space? Watch closely as our magic paintbrush sweeps across the screen. Today, we are going to learn the names of the most beautiful colors in the entire world, and we are going to play a special game together. Every time our magic brush makes a new splash of color, I want you to say the name of that color out loud. When you do, a noisy animal friend will pop out to say hello. Learning your colors is like getting a brand new superpower. Once you know their names, you can describe all the amazing things hiding right in your own neighborhood. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with our first splash. Look at this bright, shiny color. This is red. Can you say red? Great job. Here comes another one. This color feels so cheerful and sunny. This is yellow. Let me hear you say yellow. Perfect. Now watch this drop. It looks so fresh and grassy. This color is green. Can you say green? Wow. And here is a deep, splashy color that looks just like water. This is blue. Say it with me. Blue. You got it. Red, yellow, green, and blue. These are the bright colors we see every single day, whether we are looking way up at the bright blue sky or down at the green grass in our yards. Now let's find some warmer, wilder colors. This one has a warm, glowing feeling to it. This is orange. Can you say orange really loudly? You are doing great. Look at this soft, bubbly, and playful color. This is pink. Say pink. Yes. Here comes a really big splash. It feels fuzzy and earthy. This color is brown. Can you try saying brown? Awesome. And finally, look at this vivid, magical color. This is purple. Can you say purple? Beautiful. These wild colors show us that our favorite, loudest animal friends come in every shade you can imagine. Nature really is a giant, wonderful coloring book. You just learned so many amazing colors. You are so smart. Let's play a quick memory game to see how much you remember. Look closely at all these splashes on the screen. Can you point to the color that hides the animal that goes oink? You found it. It is pink. Let's try one more together. Which color hides the little bird that goes quack? That is right. It is yellow. Remembering your colors is easy when you connect them to the animals and things you love. When this video is done, go look around your house and see how many beautiful colors you can find. Bye-bye.